get it up. What's next?
All right.
You want to remove another? You want to remove that?
Yeah, I got too many cleaners on it. I got too many of them.
What was the idea behind you downloading all the cleaners?
Because they was programming them for me to catch the virus right then and there.
Oh, so at the store they were clean?
Yeah.
All right, that should be disappearing. How about you want this one?
Yeah.
Oh, they both disappeared. That's good.
Cool. Yes.
You want the games going?
No, I need Google Games, so in case.
This thing.
Yeah. No, that's yeah. Let me get rid of that. I need the most recent one, but keep the security for the virus.
All right. You want that going? Traffic writer.
All right. What about the file paper? I can take the files out. No, I need the files.
Where is it?
The files is for the information, right?
Oh, that don't disappear.
No, because that's information. All right. How about what about? All right. I got like that. What about?
I know you don't want the game of spelling quiz going. You love that.
Yeah.
Probably traffic.
Traffic. Yeah, traffic. Yeah. Because I have to sign up on Facebook to get that.
All right.
Because I tried a motorcycle. Yeah.
I don't know where I'm going. You know more about it than your phone.
No, just sign up. That again, that's what I did. And then hit that. And then that.
You know it by heart.
Yeah, that's what I did before.
Traffic writer.
Yeah. Okay. I guess they do it 2 at a time. Okay. Smart cleaner.